case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The Court of Appeals of Georgia was presented with an intriguing case in 2005, Wallace v. Wal-Mart Stores, Inc. The lawsuit revolved around Mrs. Wallace, who slipped and fell in a Wal-Mart store, alleging that the mishap was due to a grape on the store floor. As the intricacies of slip-and-fall lawsuits dictate, Mrs. Wallace had to establish that Wal-Mart had knowledge of the hazard or should have been aware of it, and that she exercised due care when the incident occurred. The incident unfolded as Mrs. Wallace and her husband were shopping for frozen okra and butter beans. She unexpectedly slipped and suffered a hip fracture. Mr. Wallace, who rushed to the site of the accident, reported that his wife had stepped on a grape, triggering the fall. Counteracting this claim, Wal-Mart requested summary judgment, arguing that there was no substantial evidence to support the allegation. They specifically emphasized their lack of knowledge about the grape being a hazard. Although Wal-Mart's co-manager admitted to noticing a rogue grape in the vicinity and including it in the incident report, other employees who had traversed through the area prior to the incident denied spotting any grape on the floor. Adding another layer of complexity, Mrs. Wallace claimed she overheard a comment about the grape while in the hospital, but did not witness the grape herself. Her husband asserted that he saw an employee attempting to conceal the grape under her foot. Despite the contentious claims, the court favored Wal-Mart, affirming the summary judgment granted by the lower court. This decision hinged on the lack of substantial evidence to present a jury issue regarding Wal-Mart's knowledge of the grape being a hazard on the store floor. In the end, the court found that Mrs. Wallace failed to meet this critical requirement to establish her case against the retail giant.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.